What?
Please.
Hopefully this don't choke you. This is a kid cake. But we're gonna sit.
Please, you like a bed.
Huh? Okay, let's get right into it. I started off by blow drying her hair because her hair was still wet. Now you will see me doing her side part. She wanted it on the left side. And then I just wanted to make sure I had a very nice curved part for her so it could fall the way that she wanted it to. And you'll see me doing 4 anchor braids, but the angle that I was at was horrible. But in the next shot, you will also see me doing the rest of the braid down. You'll also be able to see the anchor braids. Stated earlier, here's the braid down. The key to a good flat install is a nice secure braid down. As you can see, there are 4 anchor braids and the rest are very medium sized braids. Her hair was kind of short, so I had to do them very tiny, medium-ish. But yes, definitely make sure you have at least 8 to 10 braids so your install can be flat. Unless you have extremely short hair, then you may be able to do a soft mold and then apply a stocking cap with this glue protecting that I'm about to show you. Look at that braid down. So neat, so flat. So I'm just gonna put her cap on, and then I'm gonna put the diamond shield glue protecting on her hair. Most people who do quick weaves or just do hair know about this glue protecting. It's wonderful. You just put it on before the install, let it dry down, and you wet it to remove it. No thread or glue is touching your actual natural hair, which is important so we can preserve and maintain the hair that's on our head also while growing it, because this is also a protective style, one of my favorites. And once I put this on, she's gonna go and sit up under the dryer, but it's not in here, so just stay tuned. Okay, we're back. She's all dry. Now I'm just cutting off the excess cap so it can be concealed up under the tracks in the wefts that I'm going to glue to the actual cap. So you have to be careful to make sure you're not cutting the client's hair or their ear or their skin or anything. So, you know, take your time cutting the cap. Sorry, I'm out of focus right here. The camera was moving around with us as we were moving around. But you get the gist. Cutting off her cap.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
Now we're about to start gluing on the tracks. So the key to gluing on the tracks is making sure that they're flat and they're going in the shape of the head. So, you know, follow the reference points of the head, like the occipital bone, the crown, the parietal ridge, and all of those things, to know how to place those wefts on her head. She wanted her tracks falling a little bit more in her face. So after I pass her ear, I start to curve them to give her a nice thick flowing front bang. And then after that, I continue to go in a straight line so it can be even on both sides. I didn't get the whole process of the Quickweave because my phone went dead, but just enjoy this part, and the next video will have a more in-depth tutorial.
Which way? Don't matter.
Those curls were eating the girls up, and it also helps if you pin the curls and let them cool. They will hold longer. Excuse her middle finger. Just look at this takedown of these pins and that comb out. Everything looks so cute, and I was really satisfied with this install.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
Yes, look at that comb back. Also, ladies, don't forget to add layers. Layers actually help your curls fall right into place. And it just give a nice stacked look. The hair falls on top of each other when it's cut in a layer, and you put some nice curls in it, and the waves just look perfect. She just talking and talking. She's about to be smiling in a minute. Yep, that's what a good install looks like. If you're in Atlanta, you guys can always go to my Instagram and book with me. I would love to feature some people on my YouTube channel.
Thank y'all for watching.
Follow me.
Loving her
You'll see it at the end of
install.
this video.
And if y'all like what y'all see, like, comment, and subscribe.
also
Tell me how I can
okay.
get better. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me anything. I would like for you guys to talk to me in the comments. Okay, bye.
Ryan Little.
Japan.